The Amazon is the world's largest rainforest, Mother Earth's beating heart. It is home to nearly 400 billion trees, over 40,000 plant species, and 10% of all animal species. It is essential in the fight against climate change, absorbing and sequestering billions of tons of carbon annually and producing fresh air and water. The Amazon is under threat from deforestation, with around 17% of the rainforest already destroyed. Industrial meat is the largest cause of deforestation globally, with cattle ranching accounting for 80% of the Amazon's deforested areas. Forests in South America are deliberately slashed and burned every year to graze cattle and grow enough crops to feed billions of farmed animals around the world. The cattle industry is driving the disappearance of the Amazon. Some scientists predict if we destroy just 3% more of the rainforest, it could be disastrous for biodiversity and our climate. We must act now before we lose the Amazon forever. Stella McCartney has been a vegetarian brand since day one, and we are supporting Greenpeace in its fight against Amazon deforestation. Together, we must protect this vital ecosystem and support the rights of Indigenous communities who are affected. We cannot have sustainability without solidarity. Please join us in the fight against Amazon deforestation.